What's up guys, I'm Reality of Andy, and today we're going to review the Andromeda K558 mechanical keyboard. I'll give you a hint, it's really cheap on Amazon. So if you're interested in this, I'll put a link down in the description below where you can get it, and let's check it out. So when first unboxing the Redragon, not very spectacular. It's a bubble wrap, but what do you expect? It's one of the cheaper gaming keyboards on the market. So the keyboard comes with 100% fully anti-ghosting keys, 104 keys to be exact. A standard keyboard. Comes with a keycap puller, comes with the Redragon thank you for spending your money. And it also comes with a instruction manual. Comes with two plastic risers on the bottom of the keyboard, honeycomb shaped wrist rest, which is plastic. As you can see, the font on these keys is very good. It's very bold. The RGB seems to go through the keys very well. Okay, let's talk about the modes. To change the mode, you hit the FN key and the INS. It switches between modes. Your first one is WASD, standard directional keys for gaming. Second one is a super flashy one. And again, there's an opposite directional flashy one. And there's a radar mode. And a different kind of flashy one. And then this is reactive number 1, I call it. Push the keys and it waves, ripples. This one is a solid rainbow color. It's reactive number 2. It's like static reactive. They just kind of die down after you touch them. And then there's breathing mode. It's a very slow breaths. So you can slow the speeds down. FN and left arrow key slows the pace down of the RGB. And FN and arrow down controls the brightness. The more you push it up, the brighter it gets. Now let's move on to the sound test. Alright, so final thoughts on the Redragon. Overall, for the price point of $37.99, I think it's pretty good. But as a daily driver for me, that's going to be a no. It feels hollow when you type on it, and it just, in the hard plastic. Not a fan. Not a fan at all. So, I mean, as a backup, for me, yeah, it's good. I'll keep it. But as a daily driver, that's going to be a no, because I don't like the fully plastic feel. I mean, it's a sturdy keyboard. I'm sure it'll take a beating, which if I break another keyboard, this one will probably be next, so it will take a beating. So anyway, that's going to be the end of my review. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to buy the keyboard, don't forget, links in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.